Hey everyone, it's JHan's Lab back with another video, and this one is about how to make it so that your GPU renders the scene on Blender. This is a common problem that novice Blender users face. First, I'm just going to make an easy but slightly complex scene for the render engine. I'll add in some complex geometry with a cube and then texture it with some random shader. I'll then find an HDR because no render is complete without an HDR. After I apply the HDR, I can add in some depth of field. Now the render is ready. I first went on to Edit, then Preferences, and then the System tab. I make sure that the GPU is selected and that the CPU isn't. Now that my render settings are set and my hardware is selected, I can render the scene, but as you can see, I am not utilizing my GPU, only my CPU. If I open up the Task Manager, you can see the usage on it all. It's all CPU. In order to fix this, I'll first close the Task Manager and go back onto Blender. I'll cancel the render, go onto my render settings. I'll scroll up all the way to the top and change my render devices from CPU to GPU compute. Now if I render out the scene again, it'll render on the GPU only. Before I render it though, I want to change some settings to make it render faster and more efficiently, so I'll change the tile size to 128px. And then just review all the settings. I can now set it to render, and sure enough, it renders with the GPU. If you liked this video and found it helpful, consider subscribing to my channel or at least liking the video so that it's easier for others to find it. This project is up on Gumroad, link in bio. Thanks for watching.